Alright guys, today I'm out here in the dark testing these two cameras out. This one right here is the Eufy 2K camera. This one right here is the Kasa 2K camera. So they both shoots 2K, and I'm out here in the dark to truly test out the quality of these guys. You ready? Let's go ahead and take a look at this. Okay, so first off, this is what the Kasa look like. And I noticed one thing about the Kasa is that it's not as wide. The POV is not as wide as the Eufy. So if I switch over to Eufy, right here, you can see that I'm standing in the same spot, and you can actually see pretty clearly with where my shorts are. Versus here, my head's kind of cut off, and you know, I mean, the outside here is not as wide, right? So yep. It's a little bit zoomed in with the Kasa. Once again, over to the Eufy. This is what it looks like. I think the color looks incredible. See that brake lights right there? That brake lights it's actually red. Now I'm going to flip over to the Kasa and take a look here. Color accuracy on the Eufy seems to be a little bit better in dark, low light like this. I think it's pretty good. That's the quality right there. So what I want to do is I want to walk back to the street and let you guys see if it's clear or not. Alright, let's go. Okay, so right there, that's the range test right there. I did turn off all of the night vision for these guys so that you guys can actually see real colors out of these. Both are 2K cameras. I believe the POV on the Eufy is a little bit better than the Kasa. So, all right, so there you go.